Well, I knew it wouldn't be long before another one of these third gens made it into the junkyard, man. And here we got an 87. 87, what appears to be a Z28 with T-tops. All in all, not a bad looking car. I mean, probably that front end changed. Sorry, I can't get, too good of a shot because this van's in the way. Got a full set of the wheels here. Looks like last registered 2015. There's your VIN. So if you know the third gens, you're probably gonna be able to see. I think that gonna let you know it's a 305 under the hood. Plus, I think the 350s only came on the IROC Zs. Got a crack. Multiple cracks there, actually. That don't look too bad. Looks decently straight on it. Yeah. Yep. Still works. Those shocks there. T-tops. Have to be in decent shape, I guess. Windshield's cracked. I think that's the only glass that's bad on this car. I think it's been repainted. Yeah. I think she had that. We call it the gold there on the bottom. Forgive me if I'm giving the wrong color, because like I said, I don't know the third gens like this. These F-bodies. This interior, man, rough. Pretty rough. Yeah. I was a little mistaken on the. I was like, you check out the RPO codes, but if you look at the look at that VIN, it doesn't match the VIN on the car. So I think they changed that out. That's what I'm guessing. I looked under there and let's see if I can. She got a Flowmaster under there. Those are drum brakes, but I swear I saw a tag on it. PO codes here. And what did I see here as well? Yeah. Oh no, this is sacrilege. This is sacrilege to the third gen guys. Oh yeah. Oh, they get pissed. Some of those guys are like, man, gotta be lazy, huh? Gotta be lazy. Can't drop the rear end, drop all that stuff just to get that tank out. No, can't do that. Hail to the no. What the hell is this thing? I don't know, but I'm gonna use it to put my knee there. Did find this. There's the yeah, it says GM on there. It's your bag for your T-tops there, but man, it's in rough shape, man. This thing's all messed up. I'll leave that there. is all cracked. I never noticed that. All the funny stuff it says there. Of course, nowadays, let me get in here. Here we got here. What do we got here? Celebration, appointment, financial, business, recreation, medical, arrive, depart, duration, kilometers or miles, chassis, engine. Interesting. Yeah, I never even noticed that, man. Until I think as a kid, I never once rode on one of these. Door closed good though. And yes, I was a kid when these were all the rage. That hood. But my dad was always into a lot older cars, especially the Mopars. He was more a Mopar man, so yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and assume this is that. Well, the VIN, I guess, says that it's a that 305. I think it's 190 horsepower, I believe. But she's all there, you know. Pretty much looks untouched for the most part. Yeah. The problem is this yard, man. It's really hit or miss. Anybody looking for parts or anything, man? Sometimes you get somebody who charges you decent, and you get somebody who wants to charge you an arm and a leg. That hood looks all right though. I think. Does she? Yeah. Maybe except that corner over there. Well, but anyways, man, there it is. Somebody was asking, I think earlier this week or last week, hey, haven't ran into any of these third gens anymore. Well, here's another one, man. All right, man. We're out. On to the next one.